Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super important: how to keep your Wells Fargo account active in 2025 and beyond. Whether you're a longtime user or just starting out, an inactive account can lead to headaches like fees, restrictions, or even closure. But don't worry, I've got you covered with simple, effective tips to keep your account thriving. First off, let's talk about why accounts go inactive. Banks like Wells Fargo typically flag accounts that show no activity for a certain period, often 12 to 24 months. This could mean no logins, deposits, withdrawals, or even transfers. In 2025, with more digital banking, it's easier than ever to stay engaged, so let's make that a habit. Step 1. Log in regularly. Aim to check your account at least once a month through the Wells Fargo app or website. This simple action counts as activity and keeps your account in good standing. Plus, it's a great way to monitor your finances. Step 2. Make small transactions. Deposit a few dollars, pay a bill, or transfer funds between accounts. Even a small purchase with your debit card can help. Remember, consistency is key. Think quarterly at minimum. Step 3. Set up alerts. Wells Fargo offers customizable notifications for low balances, upcoming fees, or inactivity warnings. Enabling these will keep you proactive and prevent surprises. Step 4. Review and update your information. Ensure your contact details are current, as banks might try to reach you if your account is at risk. Also, if you have multiple accounts, link them to show ongoing activity. One more thing. Be aware of any 2025 updates. Wells Fargo might introduce new features like enhanced security or automated activity checks, so stay informed through their official channels. By following these steps, you'll not only keep your account active but also maintain better control over your finances. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.